Alright, so today we're changing out the engine air filter right here. Your first step is to open up this box. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs that just click off and move each of those out of the way. And after that, it's pretty easy. Just open up your air box and that exposes your air filter in there. So just reach in and grab it. You can see there's a few leaves and dirt pieces in there. It's definitely gonna need to get cleaned out. Here's the air filter. See, it's pretty dirty. This is a reusable type. Normally they're gonna be white and they should be clean if they're white. You can see some dirt and bugs and everything in there, holding it up to the sun. So this would indicate that you need to replace your air filter. In this case, since it's reusable, I'm just gonna wash it and then put it back in here. All right, now once you got your air filter clean, or in probably your case, a new air filter, just open up the box again and stick it back in there. Close it all up and you're all good to go. See my other video for the K&N sticker.